In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and customize a file upload button on your Wix website. This is a great way to allow your visitors to easily upload their files directly to your site. Whether you're looking to collect documents, images, or even videos, this tutorial will guide you through the entire process step by step. First, you'll want to log into your Wix account. After logging in, you'll be directed to your dashboard. From there, navigate to My Sites, where you will see a list of all the websites you've created on Wix. Choose the site you want to work on by clicking Edit Site. This will take you into the Wix editor, the place where all the website magic happens. Once you're in the editor, look towards the left-hand menu, where you'll see the Add Elements icon, depicted as a plus sign. Click on that icon to unfold a variety of elements you can add to your page. For this tutorial, we're focusing on buttons, so find and select Button from the menu. You'll see an option for Upload Buttons under the Document Buttons or Upload category. Select from several template styles available. Take a moment to choose one that best suits your site's theme. With your chosen template, all you need to do is drag and drop the button onto your page, wherever it feels most appropriate. Now that the button is on your page, let's customize its settings to meet your specific needs. Click on the Upload button you've just added, and then click on the Settings icon to open the settings options. First, you'll see the option for supported file type. This is where you specify the types of files that your visitors can upload. You might want to accept images and videos, just images, documents, or even audio files, depending on what's relevant to your site's purpose. Next, set the max number of files, which allows you to limit how many files a user can upload at once. You can permit up to 30 files per upload, giving flexibility based on your needs. Consider toggling on Required Field to make file uploads a compulsory action for your visitors. To further clarify the upload process, you can add a field title. This is the text that appears above your Upload button, providing instructions or important information. Don't forget the button text, which is simply the text that appears on the button itself. You might want to use something direct like Upload Now or Submit Your File. You also have the option to add a custom message below the button, offering a great opportunity to give extra guidance or specify any important details your users should be aware of. Lastly, let's stylize the appearance of the button to ensure it harmonizes with your site's design. Click on the Design brush icon, and you'll be able to adjust the color, change the corners for a more rounded or square look, and choose a font that aligns with your site's aesthetic. These final touches will make sure the button not only works well, but also looks great and is inviting for your users to interact with. And there you have it. You've successfully added and customized a file upload button on your Wix site. I hope this empowers you to engage more dynamically with your site's visitors. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.